Hi, I have in front of me an LED panel ceiling mount. It's 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. So there's a huge move towards using panel lighting, and of course you're going to need a mount to mount it directly on as well. Okay, so just say you came along and you had a suspended ceiling, you'd normally just be dropping the light directly in, but with something like this, by the way, it's with low cost delivery from freetv.ie, it allows you to come along and use the plugs that come with it here, those strangely no screws, and mount it directly onto a ceiling, something like that. So if we imagine here, if I tilt it over here, you see there's a series of holes here and here and here. So that gives us our position so we can actually come and mount it. So what we would do is we'd mount it directly onto a ceiling here, okay? Now if we look at the design here, all the corners look the same, but they're not, because this side here, it's a smooth rivet, and then here it's a smooth, like sort of a weld thing. But if we look on this end here, and I'm just going to show it here and on the far side, there's actually two holes here and two holes there, and just to hold it together, what they have is they have a little plastic plunger put in here, but we've another 4 of those little plastic plungers here. So once you have it mounted, what you would do is, you probably wouldn't screw this end here, what would you do is you would pull these plugs out here, you'd slide the panel in, then you'd shove this panel in from this side, so it pushes back in, and you get your 4 plugs and you push it directly in, okay? So obviously you actually need to be mounted that way, so it's just the exact, you get the general gist of the thing. Now this comes in a large rectangular box that's exactly the size of it, which is extremely strange because this product, I presume, originally was manufactured in China, so it's actually put the shipping costs of it quite high. So maybe we'll have a version in the future. This is the same thing we're reshooting this video that's not pre-assembled like this, but this is extremely easy to put up because you just arrive, so you open the box and it's ready to go. So that's it anyway, an overview of the LED panel ceiling mount, 600 by 600, available from freetv.ie.